3 men, a 9-foot door. See how it goes. Decided that this is the most effective method of carrying the door. Harry's being squashed at the front. We'll make it. There you go. Overhead press. So we planned just a nice gentle stroll, get a few steps in, ended up carrying a very heavy door.
That was a heavy door.
That's my cardio for the year done.
It's like a 9-foot door, like solid timber. It was really heavy.
It was nasty. It hurt your shoulders, like I was getting a trap pump.
Yeah, I was getting a trap pump as well, yeah.
But Jack and Harriet have got their door now, so
result,
job done. So it is Wednesday, and as always, we are on for the run every Wednesday. But I realised today I've never actually shown anybody who hasn't been on the run the route. So I'm gonna get a few shots as we go along today. And there it is, the halfway mark. Oh, beautiful. Bowen's Bridge. Tap it, honour it. 9 lots, here we go. This is the worst bit. I think we've got it. Let's go. Hold on a second. All this time, I thought I've been running up 9 locks. Turns out there's only 8. Gutted to where it all began. Final push. There we go, we are back. Now you guys know what the Waterfront 5K is like. Can't wait to see you down here next week. I'm sure you'll be here with us. I tried to take it a little bit easier today. Doesn't look like I have, but definitely feel a little bit better. So, a great run overall. Can't wait to see you next week. So, in an effort for me and Harry to gain back and increase our athleticism, we are going down to the park now for the first half of our workout. We're going to get some sprints in.
I have a question. Go on. Who's gaining it back and who's increasing it?
What? You can decide. You can decide. So, moving on. We're going down to do some sprints, some jumps. Car. Then we're
coming back and getting an arm pump.
Yeah. Nice.
Because a
bicep pump.
workout's not a workout until you've got an arm pump.
Even on leg day, it's arm day.
Every day is arm day.
What's the plan, Haz?
So I think we're looking for 5 top sprints. It's going to be like a 20-yard jog, a 15 to 20-yard sprint, about 80-90% top speed, and then like a 10-yard jog into a 10-yard walk. So there's like a flying sprint, so you're ramping up and then ramping back out of it. But I think we'll take 1 or 2 at 50% because I think I can't enter in at top speed. So I think I need to just like take a couple of jogs just to warm up.
Okay, sounds good. Go on, go for your first jog.
Let's try and pace it out then. So do you reckon about the orange tape?
Yeah.
The second orange tape on the jog, and then like 2 bits past that piece of rubbish, and then jog it out to the end.
Yeah. Top set for you, yeah? First one.
Here we go.
I'll jog the first bit with you, let's go. Cool. Right. Go! Ease off! Okay, I'm going to take a gamble with my question.
Go for it.
What was going through your head? What were you trying to focus on?
Go fast because I'm being filmed.
Don't look slow on the camera. If I'm being honest.
I had a feeling that you were thinking that.
Yeah. Today is a special day. It is the waterfront street food event. So me and Harry are going to be there, open doors at the gym. We're handing out flyers. People come speak to us, ask us any questions. There's supposed to be some nice food there, so I'm going to vlog the whole thing, show you guys some of the vendors, capture some of the atmosphere. But first, we need to go in and set the gym up. So that's what we're going to do now. We're about to open doors at the street food event. Seems to be filling up. There's a few people trickling in now. It's just approaching 5 o'clock, so I think it'll get busier in a sec. Yeah, well, work's just about to finish, so we'll be getting all of those people soon. Can't wait to let everyone see the gym again for the second time, because it's the second event, isn't it? Yep, second event. But Hugo's going to take a walk around and check out some of the street vendors and see what's happening a bit later on. Yeah. Oh, I have no idea what you're talking about. Got that on film. I'm going to take you guys round a tour of the street food fair now, see what vendors are here, see what food I'm going to be trying later. Let's see what they've got. Here we go. Proper picking up now. Getting lively. Slice, baby. Don't mind if I do. Vegan. No thanks. Dr. Ema's gym. They're moving into next door to us. Great gym, I've heard.